Hey everyone, so now I'm going to go ahead and demo all the moves for you guys at a little bit faster pace so you guys can kind of get used to doing all the moves and kind of rewatch this if you need like a little bit of help with the counts or whatever. And so let's start off with the regular basic. So the regular basic is going to be out on one, starting with the right foot for follows. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to go ahead and do a side to side and then shift it into a forward and backward basic. So I'll shout out when we're going to switch. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the next time we're going to go forward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and forwards. On that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then shift back into regular basic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that you kind of have that fluidity of switching between a side to side and a forward basic. Now I'll go over the two-step again. So the two-step is just going to be a weight shift. So it's going to be a 1 tap, 2 tap, 1 tap, 2 tap. And again, that's just for warming up into a song. We're trying to find the rhythm as you would in a dance. Now we can do the turns again. So going into turns, we can do a right hand turn into, and then going back into the turns, we're going to do a right hand turn into a basic and a left hand turn into a basic, and then do it right into a left at a regular speed. So follow along with me, and we'll do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then a right into a left after one basic. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right into left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, thank you guys so much, and now I'll go ahead and demo it with the music so you guys can get a feel of how that looks.